Every Discord server needs a way for members to ask for help privately, and tickets is the single most complex system in this whole dashboard. In the next few minutes, we're covering every single control: the panel, the categories, canned replies, ratings, and the safety nets underneath it all. This is the Tickets tab private, one-on-one support channels that open the moment a member clicks a button, with staff routing, canned replies, SLA tracking, and star ratings built right in. Quick map before we dive in. Ticket setup, the support panel, the ticket opening embed, categories and routing, canned responses, star ratings with a full card designer, advanced controls, and archiving and verification. Every single one of these covered. First switch, enable tickets. And right next to it, thread-based tickets. Flip this on, and every ticket becomes a private Discord thread instead of a whole new channel, lighter on your server's channel list. 3 defaults every ticket inherits. The Discord category new ticket channels are created under the support role that gets access automatically, and an optional senior support role for escalations. Every open and close gets logged to this channel, and max open tickets per user stops one person from opening 5 at once. Will cap it at 1. The opening message is the very first line a member sees inside their new ticket: keep it warm. It sets the tone for the whole conversation. Title and color for the ticket opening embed the simple version. There's a full embed builder for this too, and we'll get to it in a minute. Save transcript keeps a full text record of every ticket after it's closed. DM notification tells the member directly the moment their ticket wraps up. Auto close quietly shuts inactive tickets after this many hours. Will go with 2 full days. And the warning fires 6 hours before that, so nobody gets surprised. Flip on the rating system, and every closed ticket gets a 1 to 5 star follow-up posted to this channel, so your whole team sees the feedback, not just the one staff member who handled it. This next card is easy to confuse with the last one, so pay attention. This is the permanent panel message, the one that /ticket panel posts with the button members actually click. A title and an accent color for the panel. First impressions matter, and this is the very first thing a member sees before they ever open a ticket. The panel message is the pitch. Ours, need help? Click the button below to open a private ticket with our support team. Same enterprise embed builder as everywhere else on this dashboard, with its own template library. Let's browse a few and load the richest one detailed. Now we make it ours. A proper welcome title and a description that actually explains what happens next. 2 things this panel can't do. Buttons and select menus here are ignored. The panel always uses its own built-in open ticket button. And changes only go live on Discord once you resend the panel with a command. 1 card down. The custom ticket opening embed. This is what shows up inside the ticket, right after someone opens one, on top of the simple title and color from earlier. It has its own separate template, set to 10 built-in styles, purpose-built for the moment a ticket opens. A quick rewrite, and the ticket's very first message is exactly on brand. With 0 or 1 category, the simple settings from earlier apply to every ticket. Add a second category, and members get to pick one when they open a ticket. Let's set one up. A name, an emoji, and a mode text channel, private thread, or a forum post. We'll create a billing category as a regular channel. Categories can override the defaults. A different support role just for billing questions, and its own parent category to keep things tidy. Anonymous hides the opener's name from the embed and the log. And you can ask up to 5 questions. The moment someone opens a ticket in this category, the answers land right in the channel. Already built a form on the Forms menu? Link it here instead of typing questions twice. And consent text adds an extra I agree click before anything opens. Discord has no checkbox. This is the closest thing. Add category, and it's live. a real category members will see the next time they open a ticket. It shows up right here in the list, and the pencil loads any category back into the form for editing. Keyword-based routing adds a second, smarter layer on top of categories. If a form answer mentions this keyword, the matching category's support role gets pulled in automatically on top of whoever's already there, never instead of them. Let's route the word refund straight to billing. There's the rule in the list, and the trash button removes it just as easily. We'll clean up both the rule and our demo category the same way. Canned responses are shortcut staff type inside a ticket channel 1/command. The full answer, every time, word for word. A shortcut, the response text. Save and it's ready to use on Discord with /ticket say, refund policy. There it is in the list, and the same trash button removes a shortcut your team has outgrown. Ratings get their own fully custom embed too. Drop the curly brace rating card variable into an image field, and the bot generates and attaches a real card image with the stars, the avatar, and the ticket number. Same template system, same trick. Browse the built-ins and load the richest one detailed, with 4 fields already wired up. A quick accent color tweak, and this embed is ready to represent your brand every single time someone rates a ticket. Below that, the actual rating card design, with a live preview that calls the exact same renderer the bot uses. What you see here is really what gets sent. You can even preview it as a specific member. 3 layouts: classic, centered, minimal, and 3 sizes. We'll go centered and large. Accent, background, title, and text color 4 swatches, full control over the palette. Title size, text size, avatar size, corner radius, border width, and background darkening 6 sliders, and the preview updates live with every single one. Upload a background image, and it sits behind everything else on the card. There it is, uploaded, and removed just as easily. And if the default layout isn't quite right, freeform positioning lets you nudge any element avatar, title, subtitle, stars to an exact pixel. The real test. Send a genuine rating card, styled exactly like this, straight to a DM, not an approximation, the actual renderer, the actual message. One card holds every advanced control: SLA monitoring, cooldowns, rate limits, business hours, archiving, a webhook, and an XP reward. Let's go through all of it. SLA warning posts an alert to the log channel if a ticket goes unanswered this long, 30 minutes, in our case. And auto-escalate bumps the priority to urgent automatically the moment that deadline passes. Cooldown after close stops the same member from immediately reopening. And a server-wide rate limit caps how many new tickets can open per hour, period, a genuine safety valve during a busy launch. Duplicate detection flags a second ticket that looks like a repeat within this window. And the opener-only messages category pickers, consent buttons, confirmations clean themselves up automatically after this many seconds. Set business hours, and a ticket opened outside them gets a heads-up note attached automatically with your own custom wording. Max auto-added staff caps how many people the bot pulls into a ticket at once. And the transcript limit is simply how many messages get saved when a ticket closes. Archive instead of delete keeps a closed tickets channel around, just moved out of sight into this category instead of gone forever. A webhook URL mirrors every new ticket to an external system, your own help desk. A spreadsheet, anything that accepts a post. And XP reward hands the staff member who closes a ticket real leveling system experience a small, genuine incentive to keep response times sharp. And finally, a live stat voice channel, its name, updates automatically to show the current count of open tickets, visible to the whole server at a glance. Completely unrelated to tickets, but it lives on this page. A server-wide cleanup that checks every text channel daily and moves the ones that have gone quiet for 30 days straight into this category. Verification and CAPTCHA guard the front door itself. Enable it, hand out a roll once someone passes, kick after 3 failed attempts, and give them 5 minutes to prove they are human. A dedicated verification channel, a role granted once they're through, and lock unverified members down to that one channel until they are the entire front door in 3 settings. Here's the full life cycle in action. A member clicks the panel button, a private ticket opens instantly, staff jumps in to help, and one click closes it out and asks for a rating. Categories, canned replies, SLA tracking, star ratings, all of it running quietly in the background, so nothing a member asks ever falls through the cracks. That was every single control on the Tickets tab, the most complex one on this entire dashboard. Try it free at ascensionbot.hu, the link is in the description. Next up in the series, leveling and rank cards from XB curves to a full visual card designer. Subscribe so you don't miss it.